You can see the damage, right? You can see how I can easily get underneath here, and this tooth as well. This is no longer glued properly. So what I'm going to do is I'll take a hammer and a screwdriver and just whack this edge back into place. That's a bit violent, but not a difficult thing to do. All right, that's all we need to do. And now what's important is that we get epoxy under here somehow. It's going to be a little bit finicky. Just clean that up a little bit. Maybe some sandpaper.